it's your girl Kluermoi and welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a easy to use digital display for sensitive skin waxing kit warmer. This kit comes with everything, okay? It comes with gloves, it comes with large and small spatulas, it also comes with the pre-wax and the after wax spray. It literally comes with everything you need, including a waxing guide. And this little bad boy, you just put that on top of the waxing machine thingy so you don't get it messy. And here are the bean bags. They provide you literally with 5 bean bags. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's really amazing. And it smells so good. I was so pleasantly surprised at how good it smells, okay? So seriously, shout out to Tress Wellness because they hooked your girl up. And it's so funny because I've always wanted to try home waxing. So when they contacted me and I seen how amazing their product is, and they also have amazing reviews on Amazon, I was sold. Oh my God, I had an interesting experience, but a great experience using this product. And I'm so happy I have it, and I cannot wait to become an expert at waxing my own body. So again, shout out to Tress Wellness, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of me waxing myself for the first time. And make sure before you wax, you do a test strip. And enjoy. Okay. Said you press it in some. Make sure you put enough.
I think you gotta need more than that.
No, just for right here, for right now. Don't do that. Okay, let me feel it. A little bit more, so it's no longer sticky.
What?
What?
In the back.
And then you have to hold this.
It's still sticky.
No, it's not. Okay. My arm's tired of being up. Alright, let's go. You have to pull this and then you grab. Oh my God, this fucking hurts. What was I thinking? Oh, I can't. Oh my God. I thought I was gonna be able to do it.
You gotta pull it fast.
No, it hurts.
The other arm. Yeah, you gotta use that hand.
It hurts, babe. I can't do it.
I called my mama down here to do it. She'll rip it clean off.
Nah, but the girl's making it look so easy.
No, you gotta
Oh
pull
my
it.
God, I can't do it. I don't got.
Is it too long? Has it been on there too long?
I don't know if that matters. It just fucking hurts. I can't. What the fuck are you doing?
You gotta get it off.
I won't be able to finish this video.
Well, as long as they can see that part.
But hard wax is the least painful. You always want to use hard wax. But the girls that I see do this video, they did it like.
Because they just pulled that shit. Come on, pull it.
Baby, how? How?
Just pull it.
Wait, no, you're not supposed. Don't do that. Don't walk up on me like that. But I have to hold it tight. I can't, Chris. It hurts.
So how are you gonna get it off? You gonna go to the hospital?
Sorry, my bad. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna have to go to the wax place on the block.
Wait,
It's getting harder and harder.
Chris, I know.
It's gonna get worse. Just stop now. Stop.
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 No, wait. No, I'm itching.
Babe, it's gonna get harder and harder, and it's gonna get worse. Then we're gonna go to the emergency room.
No, wait. I'm serious.
Babe, no, I'm serious. Look, you got me on this camera looking crazy.
Let me do it myself. What? What are you
I'm
doing?
gonna hold the bottom because
No.
your skin was going up.
All jokes aside, don't snatch it.
I promise you, I'm not gonna snatch it. I'm just gonna hold your skin while you pull it. I'm gonna hold your skin right here while you pull it.
Please don't do nothing.
Come on, pull it. You got it, baby. You got it. 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 Pull.
I can't, baby. I don't have it.
Pull.
I
Keep pulling.
don't have
No,
it.
you pull. Remember, they don't pull it all at once. You just pull and then you hold and then you pull it again. Come on, cause you got some right here too. Let me get this up. Let me scrape this up little by little. Little by little, little by little. I ain't gonna yank it. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, don't do me like that.
My teeth when I was a kid.
Don't do me
just
like
walk
that.
past me and say, "Phew." Look at that.
I won't be able to finish though. I can't take
All right,
the pain.
look. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's already up.
Baby, please
No,
do
look,
it.
that piece is already up. Go. You don't gotta yank everything off. You could just do
Okay,
little by
1,
little.
2.
All right, now do little by little. Do little by little. Go ahead, little by little.
This company's gonna be like, this is not what we said.
Go ahead.
No.
Oh, it's coming off though. Look, it's coming off. Ooh, that's coming off good. That's coming off good. Just go ahead. Let me go.
I just don't have a high. No, what the fuck?
Do you want me to do it?
No, don't do it. I'm not
All
serious.
right, pull it, cause it's coming
Babe, my
off.
arm is tired.
Yeah, but- Go ahead. It's good. It's perfect. Go ahead. It's a little bit more. It's a little bit. Go ahead. It's actually, you can do it slow. It's coming right up out the. Let me get a close up. Cause it's actually coming right up out of it. Come close. Hold on.
My arm's tired.
All right, go back up. It's actually coming. Come closer.
Don't
It's
fucking
coming.
pull it.
I'm not gonna pull it. It's coming right out. Look, you missed this spot right here, so that's why that's there. But look how those. Hold on. Is it showing? Hold on. There we go. Look how I'm moving here. Look how it's coming. Nah. Look how it's coming clean off.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it.
I'm not.
bro.
I just
like
wanna
honestly, all jokes aside, I will not talk to you.
Listen, you just want to talk to me for a little bit.
No, I won't talk to you for a long time.
Well, I gotta go, so you won't be talking to me while I'm going. My hands is ashy, guys, because I've been washing my hands a lot. But look at that. Look how clean that's coming off.
All right, I'm not gonna finish the underarm.
No, you gotta take this off.
No, I know that, but
Come on, you good. Let's go. Take it off. You got it. Hold on, let me. Just yank the rest of it.
no, because these girls on YouTube made it seem like.
There you go. Now show them.
I'm such a big baby. It wasn't that bad.
No, get out of here. Shut up.
Look, wow.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, look at that. Whoa.
This works.
This is good. That's good. People at the waxing place need to get this.
It smells good.
Show them.
All right, so this is all we're doing today. I don't have it in me to finish, but as you can tell, babe. Yeah, this is all. I didn't even use. Oh my god, I was supposed to use the pre-wax spray.
Before putting it on?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why. So let's do it again.
All right.
We're going to give it another try because she forgot the pre-wax spray. So maybe that's why right there. Let's see. Come on. Let me do it.
This also smells really good. Oh. So I think I'm gonna do the other arm. So you're supposed to wipe off your arm.
You don't want to just finish that side?
Because I don't want to get it on where I already waxed.
Get the top.
Hold on, let me get a little bit more. Okay, I'm getting the wax.
Go up more.
Hell no, fuck that shit.
Because you got it on parts that don't have no hair.
It also says here, What did it say? It says, with continued waxing, your hair will grow back thinner and slower. You will also experience less discomfort each time.
Mm-hmm. They even told you that.
So y'all know this is discomfort. But I used to get waxed all the time. Like, what, 3 years ago maybe? I used to get waxed. But then, like, one, it's expensive, and two, I really didn't like to go to the spa area and stuff and have someone all up in my ear. I just didn't like going, but I love the results of getting waxed. So, and like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm trying to do everything myself. My makeup, my nails, my haircut, my toes, everything I'm trying to do on my own. So, you know, I gotta do waxing on my own too. And listen, it's very easy to use though, right, Chris? Mm-hmm. It's hella easy to use. Easy. Like,
put the balls in there,
turn it on,
put the wax on you, pull it off.
Right, but you do have to be careful that you don't put the wax too hot, that you lower it down to the perfect temperature. And it comes with a description manual, so that'll give you everything. Instruction. Description. It comes with an instruction manual which will let you know a safe temperature, which is about 150 to 170 Fahrenheit. I mean degrees. Listen, okay, let's try it. Let's see. Oh, it's hard.
Come this way, come this way, come this way. Show them on here.
It's hard. It's not sticky no more. That's when you know it's ready.
Look at it on here.
Okay. I'm gonna do it really good this time. I just want to get it over with. Wait, is it still sticky there?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so you get a little bit. Hold on, I'm gonna wait a little bit. It feels like it's a little still. I can't believe I'm coming online showing you my arm stretch. Ah! Why would you do that? Showing you my arm stretch marks and my underarm. We family, y'all. We are family. And that's on what? Mary Had a Little Lamp.
Period.
Period.
Ready? I was just going to touch it, see if it was wet.
Hold it down for me, babe.
You sure?
Yeah. Hold it. And hold top too. You have to stretch the top too. Whoa, whoa, what are you doing? What are you trying to split my underarm?
I'm holding it like you said.
Oh, not so tight.
Sorry.
Hold on. Hold on, baby. Wait 1 second, because when you're pulling it, it feels like it's waxing itself.
Sorry. You know my muscles, I'm kind of strong. My biceps is getting bigger.
Okay, hold it now. I'm going to do it in 1 second. Watch this, babe.
I see. I know. Come on. I even yelled with you. You almost had it. You was going to do it in 1 second, though.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, you did that.
It's not that bad, guys. It really isn't.
You messed it up. Look at shoulder net. As you do it more often, you're gonna get better.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Could you focus it, baby?
Yeah. As you do it, you're gonna get better and better. Next thing you know, you just be.
It's not that bad.
You said you wanted to do mine. I'm gonna pass on that one. I'm gonna just pass on it.
Look at that. All right, I think I could finish it. I'm gonna finish the rest, guys. Look at me. It's not bad. Okay.
Just get everything over there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Look over here.
Oh, sorry.
A little bit more, right?
Let it wait a little bit more?
This peak, hold on. No, you good. By the time you get over there, if you start over here. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you.
Hold it?
Look at you. You're not going to be able to yank it off, okay? You gotta do little by little because this is a big piece. You can't just be yanking it.
Oh!
Rubbing it. I was rubbing it. You know that's what they do. They rub
you're
it.
supposed to. It says that too.
Hold on.
It's right here. What? Oh, what the fuck? I'm only doing one on the arm. Fuck that shit.
Come on.
Can you loosen that? I think that was the problem.
You should have did your legs.
I'm hungry. Alright, let me try it now here.
Alright, there we go. You should be good now.
Okay.
Rub it. Okay, come on. Oh. You messed up? Oh, come on.
Okay. Don't put such a big piece. This is all trial and error. I just wanted to get it over with.
I don't know why I was in the camera with my mouth all open.
Oh, baby, what?
I'm trying to get this thing off here. Oh yeah, good girl. Good girl.
Thank you.
Got that. Whoa, look at this.
Take a shot.
You done? This was that last pull. Look at that. We're going for the next arm.
When?
Right now.
No, we're not. I'm doing that another day. So now I'm using the after wax and wiping. Ugh. I could have did a better job, y'all, but what's this? You have to. Is that a black hat?
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
You gonna knock it out the park next time.
Next time, though, I did a lot today. I'm tired, so I'll be walking around like this. I'll do it tomorrow. I recorded it on my vlogging camera. But yeah, it's beautiful. It really is. But I could have done better. And I was planning on doing this, then doing a turmeric scrub. Like, I had it all planned out. Bye, guys. Shout out to Tress Wellness for my waxing kit. I really appreciate it. And it works. It's amazing. I just don't have a high pain tolerance. Check out all the information in the description box. Make sure you comment. Let me know if you ever wax yourself at home. And if you are going to try to do it, definitely get this because it works. It's really good. There's no smell, meaning a chemical smell. Everything smells really, really good. There's no nasty smell in your bathroom like Nair. I'm gonna go have some dinner, well, a late lunch. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.